Hello everybody, I am Valsala Kaladharan. Today we are going to learn about the class Chondrichthyes. In the last class we have studied about class Cyclostomata coming under Agnatha. Today class Chondrichthyes coming under superclass Pisces of Gnathostomata. Chondrichthyes. Chondri meaning cartilaginous, ichthy meaning fishes. So chondrichthyes meaning cartilaginous fishes. These are found in the marine water. Marine water meaning it is found in the sea water. They have stream-lined body. So they can move very quickly in the water. Stream-lined body. Their shape is like that. Fishes. Then the endoskeleton is cartilaginous. That is not so hard. Then mouth is on the ventral side. That means on the lower side. Notochord persistent throughout life. That means notochord will be present in the adult also. Then gill slits are separate. Operculum absent. Operculum meaning gill cover. In the case, this is cartilaginous fishes. In the case of bony fishes, example mackerel. In Malayalam, mackerel, ayala, sardine, chala. So, in the case of mackerel and sardine, they are bony fishes and they have operculum or gill cover. In Malayalam, it is chegula. Operculum meaning chegula. So, here in Chondrichthyes, operculum is absent. Important. Then, the skin is tough. When we think about the Chondrichthyes, we have to remember about shark. So, the skin will be tough. Then, it will be having minute placoid scales. Then, the teeth are modified placoid scales. And they are directed backwardly. The teeth are backwardly directed. That means the prey will not escape from its mouth. Jaws are very powerful. They are predaceous. That means they will attack. Air bladder or swim bladder absent. So, these fishes have to swim constantly or continuously in the water. Otherwise, they will sink to the bottom. Heart is two-chambered. Two-chambered, that means one atrium and one ventricle will be present. Then, some will be having electric organs. They are known as torpedo. Torpedo, common name, electric ray. Then, some will be having poison sting. Example, trigon. Trigon or you can say stingray. That means they will be having sting, poisonous sting on the tail. Then, they are cold-blooded. The other word for cold-blooded is poikilothermus. Important. Poikilothermus. That means they lack the capacity to maintain temperature. Then, sexes are separate. Male and female separate. Then, in the case of males, pelvic fins will be having claspers. There are different types of fins. Dorsal fin, pectoral fin, pelvic fin, then caudal fin. Caudal meaning tail, caudal fins, etc. So, in the case of males, the pelvic fins will be having claspers. These claspers are used for copulation, fertilization, internal. That means inside the body. Then many of them are viviparous, meaning they will give birth to young ones. Examples, Scoliodon, common name dogfish, or you can say shark. They are called dogfish because they have the power of smell like that of dog. Another example, pristis, sawfish, common name. The diagram I will be showing after explaining. Pristis are the common name, sawfish. Then Carcharodon, that is great white shark, that is killer shark. Then next, trigon, stingray. So these are the examples given in the NCERT. So Scoliodon, dogfish, pristis, sawfish, Carcharodon, great white shark, trigon, stingray. All these points are from the NCERT, so you have to study very well. Now I will be going to show the diagrams. So this is the Scoliodon. That is a dogfish, or you can say shark. It will be having different types of fins. See, dorsal fin, pectoral fin, see, caudal fin. Then mouth, this is the mouth. The mouth is on the ventral side. Cartilaginous fishes, mouth on the ventral side. This is the lateral line. That is a sense organ. Then this is a caudal. That means a tail fin. Then this is a sawfish, pristis, or you can say sawfish. This part is known as rostrum. This will be having teeth. See, these are the teeth. This will be looking, this part will be looking like that of a saw. Saw, we know, we have seen in the sawmills for cutting wood. That's why it is called a sawfish. Here also, so different types of fins are there. Tail fin is there. See, pelvic fin is there. Then pectoral fin. Then teeth are there. Okay. So, claspers will be present where? In the male, near the pelvic fin. So, pelvic fin will be having claspers for copulation. In the case of male. Then, now, another diagram. See, this is the trigon. This is the trigon. That is a stingray. See, this is the sting. Here comes on the tail. See, this is the tail. This is the stingray. But this one is the torpedo. That is an electric ray. Torpedo this is. So, shark, Scoliodon, pristis, trigon and torpedo. Torpedo, electric ray. This one, stingray. Now, I will be giving some additional points. External ear and middle ear are absent, whereas internal ear present. Torpedo has electric organ as modified musculature. That means the electric organ, that is the modified muscles in torpedo present between eyes and nostrils. Trigon, already I told, poison sting on tail. Then we have heard about cod liver oil and shark liver oil, meenanna. Then, so the liver of the shark, that is a rich source of vitamin A. That is used as cod liver oil. Then, ampulla of Lorenzini. Ampulla of Lorenzini, that is a thermoreceptor present in the shark. That is to understand the temperature fluctuations in the surrounding water. because of the presence of ampulla of Lorenzini. So that is a thermoreceptor. Temperature fluctuations they will understand. That is present in the dorsal side of the snout, and is the front part, mouth part, snout region. Then mermaid's purse. That is the egg case of shark. Mermaid's purse, or you can say egg case of the shark. Then next one, chimera. Chimera is also known as rabbit fish or rat fish. This chimera will be having the characters of both cartilaginous fish and a bony fish. Cartilaginous fish, example, shark. Then bony fish. Bony fish already I told, example, mackerel, sardine. So chimera will be having both characters. Like shark, cartilaginous fish, it will be having cartilaginous skeleton. Like bony fish, it will be having operculum. In the case of cartilaginous fish, operculum, bill cover is absent. So like a bony fish, chimera will be having operculum, and like a cartilaginous fish, it will be having, the skeleton will be cartilaginous and pelvic fin will be having claspers. So both the characters are present in the rabbit fish or rat fish, or you can say chimera. All these points are extra points. So these are the important points coming under class Chondrichthyes. So if you like this class, kindly share with your friends. Okay, thank you very much.